Oops. So hello guys. No script. Direct to the challenge. So delete. Wait. What's that? So delete this comment. So our take on this one is to create a box shadow again. So first, before you apply styling, you must determine what is your base element. So in box shadow, your base element must be in front. So this container here can't be our base element because it is positioned on the back. These two circles on the front might be our base element. When I say base element, this refers to this div here, or the element that is holding all the back shadow components. So we gonna choose from here between this left and the right circle. So I choose this left circle because it is conventional. Left first before the right. So yeah, we don't need any class names. We only need one element. The old me would probably put 3 elements. So, but the new me is box shadow. Okay. So first, let's create this circle. Okay, the color, change it to sky blue. Then put border radius. So border radius. Apply border radius to 50%. 50. And why isn't that? Okay. Percent, not dollars. Okay. Then position it to center. Position absolute. This is my favorite positioning. It really handles the position. Margin auto and top 0, left 0, bottom 0 and right 0. This is not parenthesis but 0. And this is colon. Okay. Now let's adjust the size to 70 pixel and then move this to the left. Negative value here, 50 pixel. Oops, too much pixel. That's too far away still. So 150. Let's check this div to show the difference between the original and our design. So we're almost there. So let's decrease 20 pixel. Wait. Our element or our size is overlapping just a tiny bit, so maybe 65. Let me enlarge. Oops, maybe 60. Let's try 60. Perfect. 60 is really suits the original design. Okay, now let's create the second shadow, or this right. Let's create this right circle using box shadow. So wait, 60. This is 60. Okay. So remember, when using box shadow, you must put the element that is in front first and the back on the last. So 0, 0, 0. And then the color is the same as the color of the circle. This is hashtag for the ID, and yeah, I think that's it. Why isn't it showing? Maybe, yeah, the horizontal offset, of course. We need to push this to the right. So positive value here. Here we can see 170 pixel to the left. So this is positive, probably. Positive 170 pixel. 170 pixel. Okay, see, when you've done this really again and again, your muscle memory is really in there. So create the second box shadow. This container. So comma, then tab to fix the structure, and copy this, paste. So we have here two light circles here overlapping, or they're on top. So we need to create a container. The color is this one. The color, and then the size, right? Oh, I found a mistake here. You in box shadow property, you can't modify the size. Really, you can't modify the width and the height. The size is inherent by the base element right here. So basically, what's the size of our element is also the size of our shadow. We can we can we can minimize or increase the size, but the aspect ratio is in there. We can't really modify, squish the top or the vertical and stretch the horizontal. But if you squeeze the vertical, the horizontal is also affected. That's the problem, our problem here. So let's try. Even so, the fourth parameter here accepts size, so 50 pixel. Like that's what I'm talking about. This is based on aspect ratio. We can't. I want this to squeeze the vertical and stretch the horizontal, but our box shadow only accepts one value, and this is both for the horizontal and vertical. We can't really specify this. Yeah, that's the downside. Anyway, let's just create. Yeah, we can't really do the challenge with only one element. So anyway, let's create a body selector with a background of this one, and then let's create this container. So create another div. Let's just name this circles, and this is container. Let's exchange their declaration. Okay, container and circles. So this is circles, and copy this for our container. Rename this to container. Wait, this is circles, and then remove the box shadow, then remove the horizontal offset, and then change the color to this dark shade, and then stretch this one. Okay, here 160 pixel, 260 pixel. I think that's enough, and then also stretch the height to 80, 90. Okay, let's take for 80 for now, and the border radius is not percentage value but pixel. Okay, and yeah, check the diff, reduce the width to we reduce the width with 10 pixel. Now it's looking good. And what else? Yeah, we can reduce our code by pulihan na ta ni og inset 0. Inset 0 is the same as this. This is our custom positions. You can just, if they are all 0, this means that the element is on the center. So we can just put a shorthand inset 0 and submit. Shorthand. Pulihan. Ano sa English sa pulihan? Substitute. Yeah. Thank you. Yeah, 100%. 100%.